Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Shericka Jackson focuses on the 200 meter at the Paris Olympics. Let's talk about it.
You're running the 200, you just said it. What can we expect from Shericka Jackson in the 200? Could we possibly be looking at a new world record? A new Olympic record, potentially?
With all honesty, I don't think there's a world record coming, but that's funny. Definitely, I don't think there's a world record coming.
How things are since Hungary, because you see you struggling in the end of the race. Could you tell us a bit more?
Come again?
After Hungary, the Hungary meet, so end of the race was complicated. Could you tell us a bit more how you're physically feeling? Is it injury or just are you okay?
I'm okay. I had a slight cramp in Hungary, and right now I'm okay.
And the 100 decision is for more focus or to more rest before it?
I think the decision is just to protect my body. As I said, for the last 3 years I've been competing in both events, and I think it's a combination of both, just focusing on one event and what happened in Hungary. So it's a combination of both.
Shericka, I've got a question about Tori.
In an interview today that went viral in the Jamaican space, Shericka Jackson revealed her decision to skip the 100 meter at the Paris Olympics and to focus on the 200 meter. To me, what was interesting is some of the comments or some of the backlash from the Jamaican people with this decision. And it brought me back to an interview that was done recently with Johan Blake, saying that Jamaicans only like winners, Jamaicans only support winners, and that he's happy that he's getting support from outside of Jamaica because Jamaicans have never supported him in his era because he was pretty much overshadowed by Usain Bolt. And to me, reading some of the comment, it was very disheartening to see, because the reality is that Jamaica has been on top for the past 4 Olympics. Pretty much no competition. I know that there's this rivalry between America and Jamaica in track and field, but in the sprint, past 4 Olympics, Jamaicans have just really been dominant, with Usain Bolt, Johan Blake, Asafa Powell, Shelly-Ann Fraser, and Elaine have been a part of that dominance in Jamaica's track and field. So it is very disheartening to see that with the Americans now emerging to the top again with a Shakira and a Noah Lyles, that Jamaicans now are, some of the comments that I saw in that interview with people questioning how serious she is about the sprints, people questioning the interview or intellect in terms of conducting an interview. And I'm just saying that in the Olympics, before the sprints, sitting down in an interview, which track and field athlete is going to go out there and share everything that they are going to do in the Olympics when they know that their competitors, they're watching their every move. So it was, to me, it came off a bit like disrespectful. Some of the comments where people were questioning, you know, her ability to do an interview. Why can't she be clear about if she's injured or not? Not understanding that her competitors are watching also. And the fact that people are disappointed that she's not running the 100, which for me, I don't think it's a bad idea. Focus on the 200 meter. That is her strength. Shakira is the favorite to win the 100 meter anyway. So why give her the double? Why not just focus on the 200 meter and see what happens? So guys, let me know in the comment section, do you think that Jamaicans, do you think that we are too harsh or too critical when it comes on to our athletes? Do you think that, is it true what Johan Blake said, that Jamaicans only support winner? And just sound off in the comment section and let me know what you think. And I would say to Jamaicans, support Shericka Jackson, and we should cheer her on for the 200 meter. And I think it's a good strategy to leave the 100 meter and just focus on the 2, and we'll see what happens in the relay. So guys, sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Shericka Jackson's decision to focus on the 200 meter. Let me know. And guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.